Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. My name is Mandy. Thank y'all so much for being here. Today's video is going to be unbelievably exciting, y'all, because I'm going to be doing a review of the Sarah Rae Vargas by Fashion to Figure line. If you don't know, Sarah Rae Vargas did a collaborated range with Fashion to Figure from swimwear to formal wear. Well, what I would consider formal wear. Y'all know, if you've been watching my channel for a while, I am a casual ass bitch. I'm wearing camo sweats right now. So she created a line that if you're going out on the town and you want like all eyes on you, then she did that thing.
Damn, look at me. Okay?
So when I originally went on the Fashion to Figure website during her launch, I was only able to pick up, I think, 5 outfits total, and I also incorporated a couple of other things from the regular Fashion to Figure line. So not everything is going to be Sarah Rae Vargas, but the majority of the stuff is going to be Sarah Rae Vargas. They had a lot of stuff selling out pretty quickly, and then some stuff didn't launch until like the second week. So I picked up like the swimsuits and some formal wear stuff. As I mentioned before, formal wear is subjective when it comes to me, but you know what I mean. And lastly, I just want to let y'all know really quickly that just because I think that Sarah Rae Vargas is an amazing human being and a fantastic role model to plus size people, it doesn't mean that I'm not going to let y'all know the ins and the outs and the good and the bad about these pieces. I'm definitely going to let you know if there's something that I don't like about it, if there's something that doesn't work for me, I'm going to let y'all know, because that is ultimately important. It's your money, you work hard for it, and that is what it's all about here on my channel. So if y'all like this type of content and would like to see more, please consider liking and subscribing. You know your girl would appreciate it. And without further delay, let's get into this Sarah Rae Vargas by Fashion to Figure plus size clothing haul right now. Let's go. All right, y'all, so the first Sarah Rae Vargas item that we're going to be reviewing today is the tie front crop top, and I've got to say, this thing is so cute. As soon as I put this on, I wanted to start salsa dancing. I was like, Copacabana. It's just so bright and cheerful with the colorful fruits. It just brings a smile to my face every time I look at it. It's just adorable. But with all that being said, y'all, I do feel like this shirt is missing something, especially if you're going to be considering this a standalone garment. I think it has a lot of open real estate right there in the front, and I am a large breasted lady, okay? So I just felt a little bit too overexposed, so I had to wear a bra. If you have to wear a bra, like if it's definitely needed, this might be something you want to steer clear from. I will say that it has a slight sheerness to it, but once you put this on, it really sort of goes away and you really can't see anything underneath it. And with all that being said, this could be a great layering piece. So if it's not a standalone thing, if that's not your thing, this could be a great bathing suit cover up. You could always wear it over a snug fitted cropped cami. That would look really cute, especially something that's a little bit more nude or something like that. So there are options there. And I did pick this up in a size 2 and it fit perfectly. It fit like a dream. It felt really good on the skin. It's very soft. It has flow to it, especially in the sleeves. And it also is very well made. Overall, it's a great piece at a great price. I think she did a great job. So the jeans that I chose to pair with the Sarah Rae Vargas top is not from the Sarah Rae Vargas collection. They are from the regular Fashion to Figure line. And initially when I first saw these things, I was like, oh hell no. This is not something that I'm really interested in. It's not my style. It's not my journey. But the more that I looked at them, I was like, those are kind of cute. They're different. They're a little bit more fun. They're light washed. If you've been watching my channel for a while, I'm not really a light wash person, but these just kind of give me life. I'm so excited and happy that I picked them up and I gave them a chance because they're kind of awesome. So when you're looking at these jeans straight on, they do have laces that go all the way down the front, and it does have a little bit of elastic there. It has a little bit of give, and I just think it is such an interesting look. It's almost a play on the whole like 80s and 90s style rock and roll pants, you know, the leather ones that like Aerosmith would wear, or, you know, Guns N' Roses. Not to mention that these jeans are both skinny jeans and high-waisted. Yes, please. Please never leave me or go out of style. I just have to have my skinny jeans. Also, I forgot to mention that I picked these jeans up in a size 20 and they fit perfectly. I couldn't have asked for a better fit. Fashion to Figure just does that thing when it comes to their jeans. And just as a side note, if you're looking for a really easy way to style this type of a jean, especially for the fall, some really cute booties, a really nice kind of distressed acrylic sweater, maybe orange, or like a foresty green, something like that, or even just a plain everyday kind of a t-shirt. Let the jeans kind of do all the talking and it's gonna look amazing. All right, y'all, so now we are on to outfit number 2, and outfit number 2 is this absolutely gorgeous black sexy jumpsuit from the Sarah Rae Vargas collection. And y'all, when I saw this online, I literally had to have it. Like, I was gonna go on Poshmark, I was gonna go on eBay, somebody's got to have this for sale, I have to buy it immediately. So as you can see, this is a 2-piece jumpsuit and it just screams, look at me. It is just a showstopper. It's so sexy and it's also fun at the same time. Have you ever seen a jumpsuit like this? I don't think in all my 41 years of life that I have ever seen anything quite like this. So the top portion of this jumpsuit is a really easy on, easy off halter style, and that is something that I really like about this. If you're ready to just go out and live your life, you don't want a whole lot of muss and fuss with your outfit, you pull it on, you go out the door. It also has these really cool sort of see-through lined pattern details that really has me going, y'all. It's like it's modest, but it's also peekaboo. And just for an FYI, y'all, this has built-in briefs, which I know I was like mind blown whenever I saw that. I was expecting to have to supply my own undies, and these have the undies built in, which is just genius. So now let's talk about the lower half of this jumpsuit, because in my opinion, that is where it's at with this thing. So as you can see, when you go down to the bottom, they have flared legs, which you know is a little bit disco. It's also a little bit moody. It just adds a really cool element to this overall outfit. And if you're not really into that, if you want to be a little bit more modest, then no problem, because she also designed a maxi skirt to go over this, which completely changes the whole attitude and the whole dynamic. And I think one of the things that makes this whole jumpsuit and maxi skirt work so well is the fact that it is made of the same pattern. So when you combine the two, it sort of closes in that gap so it's not quite so see-through. So when you turn this jumpsuit around, once again, it has a halter, so you're going to be able to see the back. So it's definitely open back and open shoulder. And I know you can clearly see my bra there, but I don't even care, okay? Get you a black bra and call it a day. I was absolutely thrilled that I got this, and I cannot wait to wear it somewhere. So now we are on to the third Sarah Rae Vargas and Fashion to Figure collaboration, and this one is going to be her 2-piece swimsuit that she designed with Fashion to Figure. And I just have to be honest with y'all, initially when I first tried this on, when I took it out of the packaging, I wasn't really all that impressed with it, and I'm going to tell you why, but that was just my original feelings, and they have changed a bit, so I'll get into that in just a second. So let me just say first and foremost that the bikini top is amazing. I think it is excellent, it's great, it is hella cute, y'all, and completely flattering. I love the way it looks. It holds my girls up without any sort of problem, and I did size down specifically for that reason, and I think that the cut and the line work is really smart and unique. I even enjoy the mesh panels. I think it's different, and it sort of accentuates the waist really beautifully. My initial issues with this whole entire swimsuit was the bottoms, and it's something that was like a personal preference at the time. I felt like they were cut a little bit too wide for my liking, and I just didn't like that. I didn't like it at all. I felt like it would be a lot more figure flattering if the brief was cut a little bit higher on the leg, just to kind of give that illusion of a longer, leaner leg, you know what I'm talking about? But you know what? I don't even know a whole lot about designing swimwear, so you might have to sacrifice the high waist with a full backside. I really don't know, but they did grow on me, so that is positive about that. So when you turn the swimsuit around, the contrasting colors, in my opinion, are so impactful. I was a little hesitant about that at first. I wasn't really sure how I felt about it, but like I said before, it really grew on me. The swim bottom has a great full backside, so no exposed cheeks whatsoever, and overall it's just an intriguing piece. If I was on the beach and I saw somebody wearing this specific swimsuit, I would walk up to them and ask them where they got it from, because it's not something you see every day. It's a very unique design, it's very different, and I think it's a really cool look. So once again, I think Sarah Rae Vargas did an amazing job on this one. I would probably have maneuvered things a little bit differently, but you know what? She knows a whole lot more about clothes and designing clothes than I do. So that's just my thoughts, and let me know in the comment section what y'all think about it. So now we're on to the fourth and final outfit of the entire day, and I just gotta say, once again, it's another jumpsuit, and I don't know what it is, but I have been into the jumpsuits lately. So starting right there at the top, which is my favorite part of this jumpsuit, it has these really cute flowy bows right there at the shoulders. How freaking adorable is that? They're just sort of like bouncy and flouncy, and it just gives a really nice feminine touch. And as a side note, I just wanna say, can we talk about this color? I am obsessed with this color. It's like the juiciest, most gorgeous orangey red. I just love it. It's just, I just want to bite into it. Like, so the neckline of this jumpsuit is a winner. They really went above and beyond when it comes to this thing. So once again, it is a V-neck, and y'all know if you've been watching my channel for a while, I love a good V-neck on a plus size person. I think that is where it's at. It's just as long and lean, and it just makes you look so scrumdiddly-umptious. And this jumpsuit specifically gives you a lot of options because it has 2 sets of hook and eye closures. So if you want to open it further, you can do that. If you want to have it all the way to the belly button open, you can do that as well. When you go down to the waist, once again, they really did a phenomenal job. So it has folded chiffon fabric right there at the waist, and it cinches it in so perfectly, and it really makes your waist look so freaking tiny. It also has the very nice wide legs, and if you're looking for a jumpsuit that has a lot of movement, this one is going to be for you. As soon as you walk around, it just has an air about it. It's just so elegant. It flows with you. It's like taken by the breeze. It's very pretty. Now I just want to say really quickly that I'm 5'10", and I find that the jumpsuits from Fashion to Figure do run long. So if you are 5'4", 5'3", 5'2", something like that, then these are going to definitely run very long on you. So you may need to alter these. I'm just letting y'all know, or wear very high platform shoes. So when you turn this jumpsuit around, the back is just absolutely gorgeous. It has this really beautiful zip back. It also has a keyhole design as well, and I just think that is very sexy. It's very understated, and this is a multi-purpose jumpsuit. So you could wear this to church if you wanted to. You could wear this to a wedding. You could wear this out to dinner, to date night, holidays, Valentine's Day, pretty much anywhere you want to wear it, you can wear it, and I just love that. Alright y'all, that is going to do it for this Sarah Rae Vargas by Fashion to Figure plus size try on haul. I hope y'all found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please give it a like and a subscribe. You know your girl would appreciate it. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. I always appreciate each and every one of you. Please stay safe and stay healthy. I'm going to be seeing y'all very soon. Bye!